What if I told you there are machines so advanced, so mind-blowingly efficient, they look like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but they're real and they're running in factories right now? Welcome to the world of incredible factory machines, where speed, precision, and raw power come together to produce everyday items in the most jaw-dropping ways imaginable. Let's start with the high-speed bottle labeling machine. It can label thousands of bottles per hour with laser precision, never missing a beat, even at dizzying speeds. Then, there's the automatic pancake machine. Yes, a factory that pumps out golden, fluffy pancakes on a conveyor, flips them flawlessly, and stacks them neatly without a single human hand. Ever seen a CNC plasma cutter? These robotic arms slice through thick metal sheets like butter, guided only by a computer drawing. And don't get me started on the cable winding machine. It rolls hundreds of feet of electrical cable neatly into spools faster than your eye can follow. Need more wow? Imagine a robotic arm that precisely folds pizza boxes at lightning speed, or a textile weaving machine that can knit intricate patterns in fabric with zero human input. Or how about the injection molding machines that churn out plastic parts in seconds, cooled, trimmed, and ready to ship, all in one motion? And the cherry on top? Giant robotic arms assembling entire car bodies with a dance of sparks and synchronized movements that feels almost artistic. These machines don't just build products, they redefine what's possible in manufacturing. Efficiency, speed, and perfection are no longer goals, they're standards. So next time you pick up a product off the shelf, remember, behind that item might be one of these incredible machines working 24/7 to make the impossible every day. If you want to stay updated on the technology industry in your daily life, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.